Imagine that every time you unlock your phone, your name or a message of your choice appears on the lock screen. In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick to display your name on your iPhone lock screen without any additional apps. Ready? Let's get started. First, on your home screen, find the Settings app and open it. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to scroll down a bit and find the Focus option. Tap on it. When you're on the Focus page, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, in this section, choose the Custom option from the available choices. Here, type the name you want and personalize it with a color and icon if you'd like. Once done, tap on the next button. Then, tap on Customize Focus. To enable the focus you created, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Then, find the Focus function and tap on it, then select the custom focus you just created. Once you've done that, lock your phone and check the lock screen. Now your name or custom text will appear. To return to the normal lock screen, simply turn off the focus mode in the Control Center. That's all for this video, friends. I hope it was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.